In the month of Ramadan is coming, one thing I want everyone to do, if you want to enjoy Ramadan, what is that? We should repent to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Because we are entering into the blessed month. Our connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala should be cleared. I should repent before I entered Ramadan. Then Allah will bestow upon you His mercy, His barakat, His hasanat. It's like a big event you are going. You can say a party or a wedding. What do? Do you play soccer or basketball or this and go to the wedding? And this is one of the top person wedding and you are specially invited. What do? And now you're playing sports or gym and okay, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, I should be at the wedding. Or no, you prepare yourself. How do you prepare yourself? Going to a wedding, you take shower, clean clothes, everything's clean, perfumed, so you smell good. So same way when we enter Ramadan, we should be clean. Our soul should be clean. Our heart should be clean. Our mind should be clean. Everything should be clean. Then we can enjoy Ramadan. Can you imagine a person plays basketball or game and he goes to a party? He will not even enjoy it. Can you imagine? He will not even enjoy that party or that wedding because it stinks. He's all sweaty. When it's fresh, he will enjoy. Especially he's wearing new clothes. He bought those clothes very expensive. He will be very mashallah, like he feels it. He feels special, right or wrong? He feels something different. Why? He's the same person. But no, he's clean now. His clothes is different. So same way when we're entering Ramadan, we repent. Ya Allah. Repent is very easy. It's very easy. It doesn't need a lot of effort. If we're sitting right now here, in our heart, we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, oh Allah, whatever I did in the past, Ya Allah, forgive me. I will not do it again. Whatever mistake I did in the past, Ya Allah, forgive it. Forgive them. All those sins I committed, Ya Allah, forgive them. I will not do it again. If you're firm, I will not do it again. We're clean. Everything is clean. We are forgiven. Our heart is clean now.